Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get into advanced mode in your MHK2 thermostat. So what you want to do is you want to take your thermostat off the wall. Basically all you need to do is yank. So if it's on the wall like this, you just yank forward and it comes off. So to get into advanced mode, you need to look down here by your QR code. There's a number. And this is a number, you're going to use this number plus a combination to get into advanced mode. So my number down here says 2246. So it's a little bit hard to see. So we're going to remember that. So 2246 is the number on my QR code, and you're going to add 1234 to that. So that, if you just do a little math, that equals 3480. So to get into advanced mode, you want to turn the screen on, hold the menu button for 5 seconds. And then it says enter pin. So if you just, you don't even need to do anything. So now we put in that 34, so plus, select, 3480, select, and you're in advanced mode now. So now you can do all these different things, function codes, device setup, whatever you want. So for me, what I wanted to do is I wanted to get into function codes here. It says loading. And that's because the way I was setting up my scheduling, I wanted the fan to basically turn off when it was at a really low setting, so the fan isn't just running for no reason, because basically when that happens, it feels like it's blowing cold air. So I want to basically just turn that off so the fan isn't on at all. So if we look in the manual, I'll give you the PDF. I'll link you the PDF in the description. For heating, the fan is IUFC 25. So if we go to 25, and again in the manual it tells you which number is which. So right now it's set to 1. So if we go to edit and we set that to 2, hit done, then basically when the system is at a really low temperature, so say that the temperature on the actual thermostat is reading like 68 and you have it set to 50, the fan won't be blowing anymore. It'll just turn the fan off. So that's what this does. And the same thing for cooling, it's 27, and you set that to 2 instead of 1. And then it's the exact same thing as so when it's cooling, if it's, the fan will basically turn off instead of just blow. So that's how you do that. That's how you can get into advanced mode. That's particularly why I wanted to get in advanced mode to change that. So that's basically it. If you have any questions, let me know below, and thanks for watching.